What I want to get is a, hey Mom, did you hear that they make snow tires for a regular riding bicycle, Mom? What?
Yeah.
We should get some for my bike so I can ride it in the wintertime.
No. There, you can die.
Not if you get snow tires.
You get this
Traction like this.
The what?
No traction.
Then why do they make them for bikes?
Well, because a lot of people will ride in the winter, but they're not. They don't ride with it.
Like the worst part was over by Shoreview.
Why does it seem more mellower?
Well, it's not as bad here as it was in Shoreview.
Maybe they will have school, I don't know.
It's going to come and go.
The worst part was supposed to come after 9 o'clock tonight.
And,
Nothing to worry about now. Whatever happens, happens.
yeah, I know.
I did say if people get to the school today, they're probably going to go an extra day into the summer. On an extra day, big deal. I wouldn't mind it, sure, not much.
Half a day.
It doesn't go all summer, does it?
That really sparkly snow, too. Huh?
Yeah.
I cannot believe you think it's completely ugly. You think every sight of
No,
it
I
is.
don't think it's ugly. I think it's beautiful, but I don't like driving it.
It's only nice I could put it the other day when it first goes down. It gets dirty.
Like, it would be great if it was 2 months long. 6 months long. Too much.
I think she should get a really, really tiny camera. She should get a about that big.
How big?
About that big. And one with the most pixels. Like pictures. Of the body. different police cars they have now. They all look like. Got the new budget.
Or they're undercover, please.
No, they're all looking rapid ones look like that.
Probably he put it on this, like, in the neighborhood, because people from...
What's that?
They do it all.
Grandma.
I even recently had a roof.
That's because people are going too fast.
I mean, this is another ambulance going to it. It's not the same way. If it got cold enough, it would be more than light snow. I think what it's coming down was actually better. But if you get the lights going, you have to get a little bit more mass.
What do you mean by that?
You get more snow.
Oh, what's the temperature right now? 45?
25.
Oh, 25.
We just did with that snow sheet. She's the out on there. Yeah, you make me feel like shit sometimes. It makes me say. There's office in the hours of my yard. It could have been a lot worse. I took it all day. Weekends today. Or something.
Yeah.
It's light daylight.
Yeah.
That didn't get much on your camera.
No.
But tomorrow morning it'll be pretty.
Yeah, if I do go to school.
You can leave the truck in there. But, of course, you can't get in the garage. Can I, go inside? And open the garage? Oh, there it is. Yeah, we want to put it in the garage.
Just waiting for it all day.
Okay.
Holy shit.
What? Do you think there'll still be some on Saturday, Mom?
Yeah, it's gonna be plenty of snow.
What's wrong, Mom?
I'm worried about snow. There's no reason to be.
I'm gonna
It
take...
comes and it goes.
Huh?
It comes and it goes.
I'm gonna take a video of it.
It's not going to take a good picture.
You don't like what?